Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray CMA here. Just wanted to give you a quick look at the hood now. So I've had the stripper on it for probably about a half hour or so, and I wanted you to see that, yes, the stuff works. It's down to, let me get my putty knife. Here we go. Right, so some of the spots look kind of untouched, and others look down to bare metal. Or no, that's not bare metal, that is a primer. Okay, it looked like bare metal from where I was sitting. From where I was looking, I mean. Let me see. Okay, so we're down to a primer. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to keep pulling it off until I find a good substrate to work with. But this is what I'm finding. So this here, I don't know, it looks really weird. It doesn't look like, it's definitely not a factory material, I can promise you that. So we might have to go around two on this, because I don't trust what was done to it before. Obviously, that shows a lot of what they did. And this is a good example of why it's hard to give somebody a price. Somebody comes in with a car, you know, it looks fine, it looks great. How much to do this? Well, I don't know, because there are surprises. It's always a surprise. You just don't know. And this was under the paint. This is a serious, looks like a mine, if you look at it, kind of anybody, but this is what you come across. This is what you find when you pull off the paint. But to say you can give somebody a price to do a job not knowing what you're going to find, so how much time is it going to take to clean off this rust? Do I sandblast it? Do I use a liquid dissolvent type of stuff? You know, it's so hard sometimes, but other than that, right now the hood looks, for the most part, not bad. But anyway, that's what I got going on right now, so talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.